Miss Donna spreads sunshine everywhere she goes. She just embraces all the customers, and there's just not enough good words to say about this brave, brave woman. She is a gift from God to everybody, and I'm proud she's safe. I love you. I love you, Lord.
I absolutely love my job. I love impacting lives in a positive way. Every time I hit that door, it's all about uplift, encouragement, positivity. Since everything has happened, it's like it just makes me want to do more of that. I feel like things that we've been through together, I feel like it's made us stronger and it's made us closer. I love people. I love making people smile. Anytime I can get an opportunity to do that, I'm on it. I'm Donna Greer, and I am Collierville's Woman of the Year.